Well, will you look at this? I am not long checked in, but the hotel is between, well, probably near Port Glasgow in Scotland. And this is a great room. I haven't asked for anything special. I have just booked this on my own, got an amazing price, just below £70 for the night. And it's a standard king room. There's a corner room they've gave me, room 50. We'll have a look at the views in a moment. Really nice views from these windows and even the window as I leave the room of the golf, some of the golf course. It's part of the resort. So yeah, welcome. My name's Ian, aka Mac Blogs. If it's your first time coming across my videos, thank you. Welcome. And I'm going to give a tour, mainly of the room. I'll put in some clips of outside the hotel, but I can actually see a lot of outside the hotel from looking outside the windows. And the resort spa is closed just now, but it's getting a refurb, so that's a good thing. So a bit of investment going on there to bring that improvement. So I haven't seen it before. This is, again, as I said, first time staying in this resort. Didn't really know this hotel existed, so I've done some research and thought that looks nice and why not check it out. And I'm glad I did, because from the parking to the reception, it's stunning. All very, very beautiful, and for the price that I paid. It is during the week, don't get me wrong, but for the price I paid, very, very happy. So let's get stuck in to this room tour. Front here at the door. So next to the door, got this huge wardrobe space with hanging space, and you can get some slippers with the gown there. And you do have an ironing board, some shelf space. Let's see if this moves along. See the other side. There you go. So if it gets cold, you've got a heater. There's the iron. There's a hairdryer, some drawers, space. A lot of storage space, to be fair. So that's pretty good. On this side, there is the shower. I'll have a look at that in a moment, but look at the treats. They must have known I was coming. But they never. They didn't know. That's my favourite. They are my favourite caramel wafer. So I'll be having them. And then you get the coffee machine as well, which is a great addition to the room. An espresso coffee machine. How good is that? And again, below it, more storage space. So yeah, I like this space. It really, it does work. Just being out of the way here, but yeah, nice addition with the coffee machine and the caramel wafers. But look at that. Look at the shower. Huge shower. Cannot go wrong with a shower like that, surely. Amazing. And then you've got Temple Spa. shampoo, shower gels and conditioner. Then on this side, a huge mirror. No freebies on this side. You do have glass, tissues in the sink, the toilet and towels. But really nice space, really nice shower. There's me, but really nice shower. I like that. Yeah, nice. Me again. Got into the main room. Now I do like you can have a separate sit down here, you get table, chairs, you do get complimentary water, sparkling and still, some nice glasses there. So 2 chairs here, you can sit and relax. You've got a desk where you can work on, which you have options up there. You get HDMI cables and plugs and sockets and whatnot, which we'll have a look in a minute. Huge bed, really nice bed with a headboard, nice headboard. Everything's been really thought of, from the carpet to the wallpaper to the headboard. I really like the colour scheme. Very fancy. Very fancy. And for the price I paid, I'm actually very surprised, to be honest with you. So, really, really nice result so far. A couple of switches that control different lights. Yeah, I like it, like the decor, like the use of space. Got a mirror here as well, if you want to look at yourself when you're doing your work. Like I said, plugs, sockets there, USB and HDMI I think that is. We'll have a look at the view in a moment, just before it is starting to get a bit dark, but we'll have a look at that. Little drawer here. Nice chair. Same on this side. Some sockets, switches to control switches. Yeah, I like it. I like the space. There's some sockets just hiding in that corner there in this room. Now all rooms are going to be different. The location, yeah, it's really nice, not really hard to get to at all. As I've probably put some clips in of myself driving in, and it would be good to go to the spa. Look at that. Yeah, let's have a look at some of the views. So this view first of all, on this side, nice little bay window here. You get the car park, the hotel to the front. I think that leads up to the golf. And then on the other side, I think I might put some lights off just to stop the reflection. Yeah, that might help a little bit. How do we put this one off? Oh, here we go. Ah, there we go. Right. Let's have a look at this. Very picturesque. Very nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see just in the far distance there, look at the view, I believe, of the River Clyde. You can see right across the water. I do like that the late nights are becoming lighter. So yeah, it's such a good result. I mean, the attention to detail, the thought has went behind everything, from the water and everything else. But like I said, I'm not a negative person. I'm not here to critique, or never have been. I'm just documenting my experience that I have when I'm travelling and checking out hotels, staying at hotels. It's not just these type of videos. If you've just came across myself, check out my channel for the whole range of things. I like to go explore. I love history and I love theme parks. I love Orlando, Florida. I love Disney cruises, Disney parks, a whole different range of things in there for content wise that I enjoy doing. So, and yeah, I've always enjoyed checking out different hotels and resorts and disconnecting and relaxing when I can. So yeah, the only downside, if you want to call it, and this is pretty standard to all hotels really, this comment, is a fridge. So I haven't came across a fridge just yet unless I've missed it, but yeah, that's the only thing that really lets down hotels in my opinion. I do kind of get why they don't do it, but yeah, just put a fridge in, a little small fridge into the rooms, really does help folk. But they can bring their own snacks, juice, wine, anything that they want to do to relax. I think that really helps, but I don't know if that's to deter it or not. But most hotels don't have fridges, and that's just a thing really. I've came across it on lots and lots of hotels. If you've seen my videos and channels, the playlist I have on my channel, sorry, I have lots of videos of hotels, and it's very rare that you have a fridge. But I am impressed, regardless of the fridge. This is really nice setting. They do have restaurants and whatnot. All the information is on the TV, even though look at the TV there. But yeah, I don't think you can go really wrong here for a nice maybe little treat or a retreat away from the kind of hustle bustle of the real world, if you want to call it that. I'm going to put that light back on because that's what I see when I'm going. But yeah, I think that's really it. That's the room, to be honest. I've probably hopefully covered the surroundings. I'm not going to go into detail of the restaurants and all that kind of stuff because that's a surprise for yourself when you get here. You can check it out. I'm sure it'll be fine. All good that way. If I find clips and I put clips in, I'll try and put some clips in over the video if I can, for restaurants or any prices or things like that. I'll try and work it in the video. If I can do that, I'll do that. But yeah, Gleddoch Hotel, Resort and Spa and golf as well this year. It's a great addition. Come here, enjoy golf. If you like golf, even if you don't, something new to do. Or check in some of the views and go for a little drive somewhere, relax. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy my night here. Thank you all for watching. Hit subscribe, support the channel, check out all my other videos just for fun if you want to go and check them. If you enjoy them, then hopefully you join the community, stick around. And yeah, thank you for watching, hope you're all well. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.